Hi, this is Training for All. Welcome to this basic Microsoft Word tutorial. Um, in this tutorial, I will be showing you the basic that you need to know in order to start using Microsoft Word. And today, I'm going to show you how to insert hyperlinks. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. Don't forget also to share or don't forget to comment. Now, for us to be able to insert hyperlinks in a Microsoft Word document, you need to select the word you're going to add a hyperlink to. Let's say I want to add the link to aerosol spray paint shop website. I can just go to my browser and I can select this address, right click, copy, and then I go back to my Microsoft Word document. Aerosol spray paint shop is already selected. Just right click and then select hyperlink and then paste the URL address here, right click, paste, and click on OK. Now you can see my link is already here. So if you click here, you can go, it can redirect you to the website. For instance, I click and it opens aerosolspraypaint.co.uk. Now, this is my document which is already linked to that website. If I want to remove it, just right click and go to hyperlink and say remove hyperlink. It's gone. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.